There's the guy busy cleaning his engine. Oh yeah, yeah, he's singing along too. Oh yeah, baby. Cute.
Rally Sport.
Wow. Yeah, I used to have a 67. Huh. Well, a lot of vets. Wow, a Comet. I'll be darned. Huh. Looks like original paint too. 57. It's cute. A lot of chrome. It's for sale. Here's a number. Nice.
They don't drive my truck over. I was going to tell them.
On the exhaust pipe. Very cool. Very cool. No, that's not original. Oh, it looks like there's a storm of brewing. Storms are brewing. That's okay. We're ready for a little bit of rain.
They take a 2-inch, you gotta weld 2 inches in and 2 inches in on this side. It's 20 foot.
That's a nice bed. He did a nice job on that. That may not be very nice. Two different blues. It's hard to tell. But they definitely don't match. Wow. Wow. It's got a lot done to it. Got nice seats, leather. A little bit of chrome. Very nice. Wow, wow. That's original. That is original. Wow. The windshield wipers. About 8-10 inch. Nice. A few dings in a chrome. Nothing major. 61. This is 63. Little Spitfire.
Yeah, I drove all the way here.
She missed Donna. You look like what you're in the mission.
1972.
Business card.
And no doubt in my mind, that's all original. Good luck trying to find parts. They're in a junkyard or something. Love El Caminos. And they're yellow, actually. They're very nice, very clean. T-Bird. That's old. Wow.
488 years, full spool, Moser access seat. Oh, I know this.
Why would somebody put the hood on top of the car?
That's a lift-off hood. He wants a picture with the hood on it.
Yeah, but it's gonna scratch it.
Oh,
Well, he ain't worried about that.
I'm going to repaint the car anyway.
If you want a picture with the hood on, I can help you.
No, no.
It's more street strip car. It's not full-blown show car. I built it to go out and play with it and have fun with it.
I don't have time to play like that. That hits a wall too hard.
Well, the thing is, it's fun having a show car. I want somebody to hop in it, fire it up, cruise it home, and go to the drag strip, go play with it if they want to.
Except when it rains.
Yeah, especially with no windshield wipers.
Yeah.
Take a look.
Wow.
Have fun.
Yeah,
Oh, hey.
Very nice. Very nice. Everything except the shifters are original, it looks like. Yeah, I think there you go. YouTube will play hell with me about the music.
Look up. Trying to clear down. And on the other side, so yeah.
I see that one on the other side. You can't see this one.
Yep.
Toolbox buried.
Got top inside.
He put it there.
What are we looking at, guys?
Feed sacks.
Yep, that was his. That's his interior.
Feed sacks. How about that? Nice. Nice.
Roll that stop thing and it comes in like cups and everything.
You got a countertop toolbox. I like that.